Hey there, Tad Argrave coming to you from Clarity Cafe, and I'm recording this video because there's something on my website that you may know about, you may not know about. It's my starter kit, and so you can see this on my homepage, but also if you want to read more about it, go to marketingforhippies.com/starter-kit, and I'll put the link below. So the starter kit, what is it? I had this day-long workshop. I still do it. It's called Marketing for Hippies 101. And over the past 20 years, in some version, I've done this workshop teaching people how to market their products or services in a way that doesn't feel gross, that feels really good. And I suppose with anything, you do a lot. It's become a really good workshop. It gets rave reviews. People leave it feeling like suddenly marketing is possible. They could actually imagine themselves doing it. They can actually see a way to spread the word about what they do that doesn't feel pushy, manipulative, desperate, and all that. And so I've done that workshop, toured it all around Canada, the States, Europe, and I've been doing it online a lot. But the full footage of that day-long workshop is in my starter kit. And so you can watch it for free. There's no charge. Plus, you'll get 10% off any of my ebooks. You'll be on my email list, which I think is pretty good. And there's some bonus content as well beyond just what is in the day-long workshop to help you take it deeper. I'm so proud of this starter kit. I think it's really useful. And if you just want a free taste of what I do to get a sense of my overall cosmology on marketing, my philosophy, this is the best place to do it for sure. And a lot of people have found it very, very helpful. So again, just check out the link below, marketingforhippies.com/starter-kit, starter-kit, and you'll find it there. Thanks so much for watching these videos, everybody. I'm so grateful for you stopping by. I know there's so much content on the internet, so there's more content at that link. Go check it out. Take care.